Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to activate your PayMaya card in 2025. PayMaya, now known as Maya, is a super convenient mobile wallet and banking app, and activating your card is a straightforward process that lets you start making payments, transfers, and more in no time. Whether you're a first-time user or updating your account, this guide will have you set up and ready to go. First things first, make sure you have the Maya app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're just starting out. You'll need to provide some basic details like your mobile number and email. Now, let's get to the activation steps. After logging in, navigate to the Cards section in the app's main menu. Here, you'll see an option to manage your PayMaya card. Select your card and look for the Activate button. Before proceeding, ensure your card is with you and that you have a valid ID ready, as the app might ask for verification. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to enter your card details, such as the card number and CVV, which are usually found on the back of the card. The app will then send a one-time PIN, OTP, to your registered mobile number. Enter that promptly to verify. Once verified, confirm the activation, and voila! Your PayMaya card is now active and linked to your account. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always use a stable internet connection to avoid any glitches, double-check your details for accuracy, and if you run into issues, check the app's help section or contact customer support. Remember, in 2025, Maya might have updated features, so keep your app updated for the best experience. There you have it. Activating your PayMaya card is that simple. If you follow these steps, you'll be enjoying seamless transactions in no time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next video, and see you soon.